Hello, Umwoma. Kedu kunu mere taa? Hello, beautiful kids. How are you today? So today we're going to be learning transportation in Igbo. Njem. Njem. Transportation. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. I am going to be saying these words twice, and it is expected that you repeat after me. You can pause the video to say your own words, okay? Pause the video to repeat after me until you are perfect with the words. Do you understand? Great. Ụgbọala. Ụgbọala. Car or bus.
Whoa! Wow!
Ụgbọ oloko. Ụgbọ oloko. Train. Ọgba tum tum. Ọgba tum tum. Motorcycle or a bike. Ụgbọala mberede. Ụgbọala mberede. An ambulance. Ụgbọ ịnyịnya. Ụgbọ ịnyịnya. Chariot. Ịnyịnya is horse, okay? Ịnyịnya igwe. Ịnyịnya igwe. Bicycle. Rocket. Rocket.
Whoa!
Ụgbọala ego. Ụgbọala ego. Taxi. Ụgbọala ọkụ. Ụgbọala ọkụ. Fire truck. Ọgba tum tum onwe. Ọgba tum tum onwe. Scooter. Gwongworo. Truck. Ụgbọelu. Ụgbọelu. Airplane or the helicopter. Ọgba tum tum ụkwụ atọ. Ọgba tum tum ụkwụ atọ. The tricycle. Ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri. Ship or canoe or boat. Bolombolom ikuku ọkụ. Bolombolom ikuku ọkụ. The hot air balloon. Ije ụkwụ. Trek. and that's like the last one. On the topic transportation, Njem. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hooray!
If you like this video, please like it. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to be the first person to be notified anytime a new video drops. Until then, come see you.